what do I really need the most right now? Everybody has different strengths and weaknesses, things they need to practice, things they need to work on. And you can't really just have a one-size-fits-all, or you structure their time and then they simply follow your instruction and get results. Really, results comes from self-evaluation. You have to study things yourself to try to understand them. So then, given the correct evaluation, then you know how to practice or build on the information that you've gathered. And so, building success is really a process as you take one step it leads to another, but each step has to build on the other. So there needs to be a marketable difference. When you take a step, you need to see or feel a difference when you move to the next step, and the next step, and the next step. And this is what creates momentum. Momentum is created as each step is applied, and as each step builds on the previous step, you begin to see the accumulative effect of all the steps you've taken. And so this is where the whole is greater than the sum of its parts, because you see improvement on each step. You start to see the accumulative effect of that will be much greater than what you experienced at any point. So it's important to concentrate your effort. What does that mean? Does it mean working hard? Does it mean taking a lot of time? No, it really means with the least amount of effort, time, and energy, you want to optimize results. And so it's a sense of ease that creates momentum. It's not labor. It's not struggle. It's not facing difficulties and challenges. It's really looking beyond those things and taking a step beyond them. You will overcome them. This is called making a claim. You have to make a claim first before you can cash in on it. In the gold business, it's called making a claim. You make a claim, you stake a claim, and once that is verified, then you get rewarded. So it's a continual process. You go back, stake a claim, verify it, get rewarded. And each time you stake a claim, you want more and more returned. And when you don't get a greater return for the amount of time you spend and the amount of claim you make, then you go look elsewhere, mine somewhere else. You don't want to keep mining in a dry mine, in a dry gold mine. You want to mine where there's lots of gold to be claimed. So you keep renewing your claim and building on and getting a increased return on your time and energy and investment of your investment with your time, energy, and efforts to direct my focus.